Hi, and today I'm going to show you how to use Spiral Betty. So this is Spiral Betty. It's an amazing effect that's all cut, which still blows my mind. And it's just a series of grooves cut to create light and shade to create a picture. So I'm going to show you how to use that with your Cricut. You need to start by going to spiralbetty.com, and that is where you can upload your image. So click on the disc, and I'm going to choose this photo here. And then once you've got your photo, you can reposition it, you can zoom in and out to size it. And then once you're happy, you can spiralize it. So here goes, done, and I'm going to spiralize. And you can see that I've got quite a detailed image there. You can zoom along and back, and basically the higher the bar is, the more detail you've got and the more spiralized it is, which also means it's a little harder to cut. So here you can see you've got different coloured dots. These change the colour of your image, which is great to see what colour vinyl you're going to cut it in. But if you was going to print it, then I'm imagining that's what they're there for. Also, when you cut this image as it is, you need to put it on a lighter background. But there's a new feature which isn't shown on this video. It's just under the download box where you can flip it so that you can put it onto a darker background. If you look at my blog post, this will all make sense. But as it is, if you put on a darker background, you'll get a negative effect. Once you click download, it's really important to check out options, because if you're going to sell on your images, then you need to buy a license. It's not expensive at all, or you can just buy a coffee, which I did because I just think this feature is so worth a coffee. It's brilliant. Okay, so now we can upload to Design Space. So just go into your downloads and grab your file and pull it in as a complex file. Now, you don't have to make it into an SVG because it's so easy to remove the background. You can see that all I've done is clicked on the white area and it removed it straight away. Now you're going to get the chance to save it as a print or a cut image. I know the cut image looks dark, but it will be fine. Just pull it in as a cut image into Design Space, and then you've got your cut ready there to go. And it is that simple to pull in. Just one click, remove the background, and you're in. And here's my image all ready to cut. And I mean, look at it, there's so much detail in it, you'll be surprised. But the Cricut just cuts it so well. So I'm using iron-on vinyl on card, and I'm also making another project of iron-on vinyl on a velour cushion. So I'm going to make a background for my card, and I'm going to cut that now. I'm just going to change my colours to make sure that I'm happy with them. Obviously the background has to be lighter. Now I'm going to darken it so that I've got two separate colours for my mat. And you can see that that works really well. It's worth noting, because it's iron-on vinyl, obviously you need to reverse your image, or mirror the image before cutting. But here it is, all ready to go. That's what it's going to look like on a blue background. And I'm going to send it to cut now. So you can see the Cricut has no problem cutting this. It blows my mind that this creates an image or a photo. It's just incredible. So I just want to show you the difference a background can make, because if you put a lighter background on, you see your photo, which is incredible. And there you go, you can see that it's really clear. I've got a really clear photo image, which I can put on like a lighter grey or a blue background. However, when you add a dark background, it's like a photo negative, so you can see the negative areas. Now the new feature stops this, so if you're going to put it on a dark background, you need to remember to switch it. But there you go again, negative effect with a darker background, and as soon as you put your lighter background on, you see your photo nice and clear.